Yeah, yeah. Woo. Hey,
Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome to my channel, 0.0 Media, your best entertainment channel. I go by the name of Sabziro, and I know this is the first time we're actually doing this. Anyway, people are wondering why this TV. I don't know, I just found this TV in garage, and I decided to, you know what, I'll just put this TV, do something unique. So, I like it. I hope you like it too. Anyway, without wasting any time, Sizongena on some local news. Actually, you guys give me the honest opinion, like, yenzani TV la pasayifuni yehlisa isikipha la susi area. But hey, and this is a visitor's seat, which is the seat esazohlala a lot of local artists that you know, so we might talk to them. And yeah, without wasting any time, DJ Kivit Buffett owaziwa kakhulu ngowenza ama-event, the crazy event, Mr. All Black Party. The boy is gonna be doing a one-man show on the 28th of December at Sound Lounge, and we're still gonna update you in terms of that. But then he put up another surprise. He's not gonna be really alone. So omunye wabantu abazobe bekhona kwishow uDrama Drizzy njengamanje wenze ingoma No Give It. It's called Knock Knock. That song is super banging. We give it, you did it this time. You did. Angisho ukuthi lezi zingoma wenza, but this time you went all out. And shout out to Drama Drizzy. I heard those raps, boy. I know what the song is not out, but I wanted to tell them the song is crazy. Guys, I cannot wait for you to know it's super crazy. Omunye wabantu give it abalethile. DJ Mauro from Ekakas FM. A lot of people know him, so uzobekona as well as Mr. Tizozo uzobekona as well, no Mr. Gobisi or Biza Knife uzobekona. So give it, we wish you nothing but the best. I hope all goes well, my homie. We're gonna be there, we're gonna be dancing like crazy. Fuck being a rapper, so we're gonna be getting down. On to the next one. Eli Nala. The boy decided to drop his mixtape. It's called Twins S&M. And the songs are really crazy, so guys, you need to check that out. Please go under Eli Nala or Lindo Wuhle Nala on Facebook and just click the link and then listen to his music and then let us know what you think. But then we're gonna have him here and visitor sit and then let him explain what does twin S&M mean, and then what's the plan for next year, because the year is almost over. Okay, the year is over. Boy, we need you to tell us what's your plan for next year, because this year is finished and you left us the mixtape Eshisai, and you cannot do that to us. Nina, no give it. Same as up, bro. You're dropping on me late. Massive pedity, unyaka. Wow. You guys need a medal. Local song, around Batuguza. So Esquad has dropped 2 songs. It's called One Side and another one is called Yeah. We know the boys has been on and off. They're not doing enough work, but everyone is busy. So yeah, and guys, please do check that out also. And yeah, I really love it. So I advise you guys to go and check that out. And also, Mr. Tabza, Mr. Hala also dropped the song called Spuzani. So you guys need to check that one out as well. MC Rabbit dropped 6 a.m. Grind. He dropped the 6 a.m. Grind remix featuring Air Squad, Sandy Boy, E Wood, Eli Nala. So that one is crazy, because also no beat Watindo and Oscar Galova. And the song is quite dope, and I believe but the song is out anyway, so you have a chance now. I think Sandy Boy killed it. So guys, let me know what you think. Am I wrong? Am I right? But I believe Sandy Boy killed the song. So go and download it. You can come back and comment anytime. This is your home, this is your house. You can do whatever you want at any time. Please just check the songs out, as well as check the video by Cypher Kidio. Juice, that song is dope and the video is hella nice. Yeah, should tell her Lokshin. Yeah, Shaka Pin. I really love that song. And even though you still owe me the Juice t-shirt, Baba, I want it. But I want it. No jokes. No, don't laugh. I want it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, please do subscribe on ZiroPointOMedia on YouTube, as well as the Facebook page. It's called ZiroPointOMedia. Instagram page is called ZiroPointOMedia. And then in 2-3 days time we're gonna be on Twitter. It's also on the ZiroPointOMedia. And then we're moving to Snapchat. We wanna be everywhere. So make sure you check that out. Thank you for dropping by. I go by the name of ZiroPointOMedia. I'm joking. I go by the name of Sabziro. Good luck to everyone, whoever is going to be doing the events this weekend, the people who's going to be dropping new songs, the people who's going to be out there performing, everybody. Thank you so much. ZiroPointOMedia. We out it.
Hey. Pull out my cups and syrup. Hey, yo, this little nice shit, my nigga. New school. All my niggas Bugatti. All my niggas Bugatti. All my niggas go got it.